Good morning, student. This is Vasumit Banchor, your moral science teacher. Welcome to the class. So, student, today we'll learn about chapter number 2, Bonds of Friendship. This is your book, Being Living, and then writer is Father Reverend Dr. John Xavier and Dr. K.S. Pandey. So, student, Bonds of Friendship, chapter number 2. A bond between people is a strong feeling of friendship, love, or shared beliefs and experience that unites them. When people bond with each other, they form a relationship based on love or shared beliefs and experience. You can also say that people bond or that something bonds them. When student that you are having friends and you are knowing some are your best friends, some are your childhood friends, some are your only a friend, and you are knowing the difference between the different friends you are having. The bonds of friendship means that people you shared a lot with all the things with your friends. Then you made together to make happy also. So these are the reasons why the friendship is born, and some reasons are here that uh, in a friendship is a kind of relation that requires a lot of honesty. Lot of honesty, then trust also, and understanding between two peoples. It is difficult to imagine a life without friend in it. That you are also knowing, student, that without friend you are not able to be survive in this world also, because friends are the most important uh, persons in our life. Without friend we are not able to survive in this world, because that friends, they only help us to be live happy. They only knows to share your worries, to share your happiness with each other, to resolve your problems. Many different things are there, and very important things are there to be with friends. Then here are some reasons why friendship is the best bond ever. A bond that can't be replaced. A friendship bond that can't be replaced. You are knowing that you are having a best friend, and you are knowing that while in that friendship you both were fighting also, you both were not talking with each other. Sometimes you fight and not talking with each other, but after some day you're not able to live without them also. A few fights that did not a few minutes fights did not break the whole life friendship with your friend. These are the bonds of friendship. Then it nurtures us you as a person. A relation where there's no place for ego. Yes, you are knowing that in a friendship all people are same in friendship, and there in friendship you are not showing your ego also. That then in friendship there is no place for pretending. Friends are the people who became you all full-time supports. The students, you are knowing that your friends are there. If you want any help, any support, then your friends are standing in front of you only to help you, to support you, to understand you. A friendship brings sunshine into your life. You begin to care and share. You share your thoughts, your possessions. You understand each other. You love to make happy. You to take out them from various troubles, worries, and sorrows. Friendship is a bond of trust. Friendship is a bond of trust. If trust is there, then your friendship is there. If you are not having trust with your friend, then that friendship, no use of that friendship, that friendship will be break quickly. Then it demands a certain loyalty of each other. Loyalty of each other means you are not no need to be a double faced person with your friend, because If your friends feels that you are the only one important person for him or her, then it will break her or his trust. So to be a loyal with your friendship always, it requires to be sincere honest in our relationship. It means you are not supposed to say not supposed to lie with your friends. If you did the wrong thing also, you have to share with your friends. Then that friend will surely help you. That friend will surely take out from your worries, then your worries, your troubles. Good friends understand and support each other. True friendship, however, does not consist in mutual admiration for each other. So, you student, that you are also knowing that you are having the good friend and best friend also, good friend also, and you are knowing if you are in trouble or if you are having any tension or some worries, then you are talking with your friends. Then your friend helps you with their norms. This is the way to be a bond in friendship. So this is the only way to be a friend, to be in one. So this chapter bonds of friendship is given. So student, if you are having any story with your friends, so you have to tell that story to your friends, that how your friend become, how that person become your friend, then how that friend become your best friend, and how now you are bonding with your friendship with your friends. So you have to tell that story with your friends and share your stories like this. Here the friendship is a kind of relation that requires a lot of honesty, trust and understanding between two people. It means it is a kind of relation that have made with the help of honest trust and understanding between two peoples. You are knowing that if you are comfortable with that people, and if you want to share your things, share your feelings with your friends, it means you are bonding with him or her, and you are very free. You are not having any hesitation to share your feelings or share your worries or share your troubles. So you are be with your friends. That friends is having friends, that means that the bonds of friendship. And the reasons are there here, that you had earlier read the reasons. The bond that can't be replaced, it natures you as a person. A relations where there is no place for ego. In a friendship, you are not supposed to show your ego, and you are not supposed to face the friend's ego. In friendship, there is no place for pretending. Then friends are the people who became you full-time support. You are knowing that you are having friend, and that friend always supports you. Always supports you. It shows the bonds of friendship. Like this, the different things are there. For the reasons are there why a friendship is best bond ever. Then you are knowing now uh, how that bond prepare. I mean experience that, because a strong friendship means love or share beliefs and experience that unites them. When the people bond with each other, they form a relationship based on love and our shared beliefs and experience. So you can also say that the people bond and something bonds on them. This is the meaning of that bonds of friendship. And then the friendship brings the sunshine in your life. You begin to care and share. Then you share your thoughts, your possessions. You understand each other. You love to make happy. You take out them from troubles and worries and sorrows. That then a friendship is bond of trust. It requires to be sincere, honest in our relationship. then you are knowing who is good and who is the bad. So always select the good friend and have bond with them and share happiness, share solve their worries, solve their problems, and be with your friends always. Thank you.